Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add moving background to our video in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have imported a video to CapCut and we're going to add moving background to this video. So the first thing we're going to do is click on effect button right here. Then we're going to click on body effect. Then after that we can search for hallucination effect and just tap on it. Then to add the moving background, we can click or we can choose this one and directional movement. So just tap on the effect. Then after we are done, we can click on this check mark button. Alright, and we can make this effect align with the video. We can adjust the length. Just click on the effect, then we are going to drag it. Okay, and let's see the result, guys. So let's just play the video to watch the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add moving background to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.